beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel MelMii Food and Lifestyle. MelMii, it's me. All because it's Valentine's Day coming up and it's the month of love, and if you want to show the love with your loved ones and your family and your friends, this is the perfect recipe to show the love, to spread the love, and to put some love into the recipe. Come join me and let's cook together. And let's spread the love with your family, with your friends, and with the loved ones. Come with me. For the ingredients you need: 4 eggs, 80 grams of sugar, 80 grams of white flour, 3 tablespoons of potato starch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, red food color. For the filling, 2 deciliters of 35% cream, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 250 grams of quark cream or toffee cream, 10 to 12 strawberries, powdered sugar, and fresh mint or basil. Start with your room temperature eggs and sugar in a big bowl. Mix together all your dry ingredients and using a sieve, add a little bit at a time to the egg mixture. And with a whisk, with a movement from the bottom to the top, mix the flour and the dry ingredients into the egg. Repeat this until the egg mixture and the dry ingredients are mixed very well. Avoid tapping the bowl or using very fast movements so the egg will not lose the air in it and the fluffiness. In a small bowl, take about 4 teaspoons of the mixture and about 20 grams of the flour. This you will use to make the heart decorations on the dough. Mix the flour and the mixture together and add your red food color. Do this little by little so you won't add too much color in one go. Repeat it until you have desired color. In a small piping bag, start to make heart shapes on top of the baking paper. You can decide if you make smaller hearts or bigger hearts, but as you will be baking them separately, they will expand a little bit. Make sure there are gaps between the shapes. Bake it for 2 to 3 minutes alone and add your other cake mixture on top. With a spatula, divide the mixture evenly on the tray and put it into the oven 180 degrees 10 minutes. Start by making your filling. For this, cut half of your strawberries, so around 6 to 7 strawberries. Remove the green part and cut them into small cubes. I'm cutting the bigger ones for the filling, so the smaller and the even size one I will use later for the decoration. Take your cream in a bowl and the sugar and use a hand whisk. Make sure you won't over whisk it. You can see when it's starting to set, but it will not. When you over whisk it, it will turn into butter. Add your quark cream, and now by hand mix the whipped cream and the quark cream together. Add your strawberries and mix it all together. Let the biscuit cool down before you enter the filling. Divide the filling evenly starting from one side. And leave about 1/4 of the base free for you to be easier to roll it. Do not use too much of the filling as it might roll out later. Start by rolling on one side and use the paper for the support so it will all come down in the same way. Now push back the paper and make it firm roll so it will set nicely like this. If you don't push the paper down very tightly, the roll will not stay like this. And now, before cutting it, leave in the cool temperature or in the fridge for 20 minutes. Here I'm just cleaning out the extra filling that has been coming out with rolling. For decoration, I am using a raspberry flavored whipped ganache, but you can use whatever flavor you would like. And also I will use the strawberries I left. Also some raspberries. And finish it off with the powdered sugar. Thank you for watching. Ring the bell, subscribe and like the video. Bye!